We can go down the South Hill and get to Calum Quarry. In a few minutes here when I'm loaded. Just pause it for a minute. Alright, here we go. 13% is still coming up. Be locked in third gear. Bumpy ride. That's what I was just used to.